Hey everybody, welcome back. We are working on the trailer because, as you can see, that's not supposed to be like that. And now that taillight's broken, and that taillight stopped working a while ago. And I also have no running lights along this side anymore. So we're going to make an upgrade slash downgrade slash not, whatever you want to call it. But these are way cheaper to replace because they just pop in and out, and you can replace just the light. And same with these, and same with these. So we're going to do that. We're also going to build a tray for the battery for the winch and actually hook it up properly. And we're also going to put some running lights underneath, or not running lights, but lights underneath of the trailer for when we're loading it and all that good stuff. Actually, I might not do that today, but we're also going to rewire the whole trailer, and that's what I have all of this for. This is sprinkler tubing, and it's going to protect my harness because I didn't do that last time, and this stuff is super cheap, and that is part of the reason the running lights don't work on that side, is because the wires keep getting pinched by hooks. And yes, I could run the wires in a different spot, but they also rub on stuff because they're unprotected and not running through rubber grommets like I should have them. So we're going to fix that by running it through sprinkler tubing because it's cheap. It was like 15 bucks for 100 feet. So without further ado,
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
the finished fruits of our labor, which we have it all loaded with sleds now, but we have all these lights in. There's 4 lights down each side. The rear 2 are red. Then we got new tail lights on. They don't have reverse lights in them like my old ones used to, but that's okay. We completely redid this rear end, so this plate is now fairly flat and straight-ish. New boards across the rear. We extended it to fix where I cut out for the lights before, and built a little bit of a tray for the battery. It's not finished yet because I just have it bungee corded on there, and that battery is no good, but at least I have the wiring for it. I have a charge circuit in there. My ground wire is red, but that's all I had in a thick enough gauge to justify doing it. We got our wireless winch controller bolted down there, and the whole trailer is rewired with my wire running through this all the way back so that it doesn't rub on everything and get ruined. And a word to the wise, look at the wiring on all these lights, because the white is the ground and the black is the positive, and they put a ring terminal on the black wire, so I assumed that that was the ground, and it is definitely not. So I wired all of these in backwards and then had to go through and redo them because I'm dumb. So yeah, that's it. It was kind of a rush. We didn't finish it until 2 in the morning, and we had to go sledding the next day. That's why all the sleds are on it. So I didn't do a close-up video on it, but here it is now. There's more to come. We'll be finishing up the battery tray. Wheel wells still are not done. They need to be steel, but they're wood for now. I have a little bit of wire in the back down here that I'm going to build something to tuck up in there. Maybe I'll just, I don't know, I'm going to tuck it up in there a little more so it doesn't get caught on stuff. We're going to put lights on a switch so that it can illuminate everything around it, so loading it in the dark is much nicer. And we got to mess with the trailer brakes because they were all messed up, and so I just disconnected them, so it has no trailer brakes anymore. But that's it. Thanks for watching.